Hi everyone, my name is Madison, and today I'm going to be presenting to you something I call food for thought, and we're going to discuss how our gut health heavily impacts our mental health. One in five adults in America live with mental illness, and in 2022 alone, over 50 million adults received treatment for mental illness, whether it was inpatient treatment, outpatient treatment, or prescription medication. The United States is known as one of the countries with the highest prevalence of mental health issues, so I couldn't help but wonder if, due to the fact that the Western diet often undermines essential nutrients for an improved mental and gut health, could we potentially lower our mental health statistics through a better diet? About 40% of the adult population in America is obese, and a large portion of those individuals are deficient in many essential nutrients. The Western diet in specific is characterized by a high consumption of refined carbohydrates and saturated fats, which have both been associated with emotional disorders and cognitive impairment in humans. The heavily processed foods in the Western diet assist in causing addictive like eating habits and hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis dysregulation, which is associated with chronic depression, anxiety, and stress. So, how exactly does our gut impact our mental health? The gut brain axis is a bidirectional communication network between the gastrointestinal tract and the central nervous system. So, our gut health can impact our brain health, and our brain health can impact our gut health. The communication is carried out through neural, immune, and hormonal pathways. A major communicator in the neural pathway is the vagus nerve, which passes information about digestion, inflammation, and nutrient levels to the brain. Cortisol, a hormone released due to stress in the hormonal pathway, can impact the gut health and mood. And in the immune pathway, the release of cytokines may be triggered due to inflammation in the gut, which also impacts the brain health. How can a better gut health improve our mental health? Probiotics are a great way to assist in creating a beneficial gut environment that will support a healthy brain, resulting in better mental health. Medication is effective at treating mental illness, but adding psychobiotics, which are live organisms that can benefit mental health through improving the gut bacteria, could potentially increase the effectiveness of mental health medications. Many medications used for treating anxiety and depression alter the gut microbiome and can change the composition completely by killing bacteria present in the gastrointestinal tract. Introducing probiotics can not only help to fix the loss of these bacteria, but may also help the negative symptoms of mental illness, such as anxiety and depression. Probiotic intake of strains such as Lactobacillus helveticus and Bifidobacterium longum for 1 month have been proven to reduce symptoms of depression, anxiety, and stress. In addition to probiotics, many studies are relating the consumption of supplements such as zinc, vitamin B, and vitamin D to improving depression symptoms. Zinc deficiencies have been directly linked to severe depression symptoms, and consuming an adequate amount of zinc has been proven to stabilize mood. B vitamins assist in proper nervous tissue function, and folic acid deficiencies have been linked to preventing major response to antidepressant medications, meaning if someone is being treated for depression but does not have enough folic acid intake, they may be missing out on the full impact of their medication. A study resulted in findings that a 3-month treatment of vitamin D assists in sleep difficulties, fatigue, irritability, mood swings, and concentration struggles in individuals diagnosed with depression. Foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals, antioxidants, and probiotics have all been found to support mental health and enhance the effectiveness of medication. It is important to eat a balanced diet of whole grains, leafy greens, and a variety of fruits and vegetables. The relationship between mental health and nutrition is not given enough credit when treating mental illness, and I hope this presentation brings awareness to this relationship. Considering that the Western diet often lacks nutrients commonly associated with improved mental health, it is important to consider that addressing overall gut health may play a role in the reduction of mental health issues that plague America. And here is a list of the sources I used to create this presentation. Thank you for listening.